What's up, everybody? I'm Justin.
And I'm Brandon.
And we're the Bohn Legacy. And today, we're back with the PBA Strike Derby Challenge. Who can throw more strikes in 2 minutes? Let's find out. Let's get right into it. So we're back with the PBA Strike Derby. Who can strike more in 2 minutes? I got a new challenger this time. Brandon's taking on this challenge. We're gonna see if he can beat me. Mike beat me the first time. If you want, the link will be down below to check that one out. I only had 6 last time. I'm hoping to get a little more this time. This time we've got 3 balls, 1 on each lane. 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna see who can get more strikes in 2 minutes. Brandon's up first.
All right, I'm ready, and I'm in green, supporting Weber. You know, when I'm in green in school, you know, we took it home this year. So green is money, and although I'm not throwing a green ball, they're gonna produce a lot of strikes. I'm gonna throw the hammer effect on lane 4, the Troublemaker Pro on lane 3, and I have the Deviate Hater that I'm gonna go with on lane 2. And I got 2 pin ups, 1 pin down. You know, but the pin down, you know, sticks up because you're going down.
Does he know that I'm also wearing green? 3, 2, 1. And we're off.
That didn't
He's
sound
got
good.
half. Good start, good start.
Lay
Getting
off.
off pretty quick here. 0 for 2. Going to lane 2. You know, he talked a lot of smack for not having any in the first 3. Looks like he took his time a little bit more on that one. Ring 7. 90 seconds in, or 30 seconds in, 90 seconds left. 1 on the board. He's got 1. 1 for 5. Lay off. Shot 6 here. That's 2. He knows he got away with that one.
Oh, lay off.
Still only 2. Halfway there. I'm shocked he doesn't have more, to be honest. Still only 2. We are bowling on a house shot here, so we should theoretically throw a lot of strikes. But, you know, the challenge sometimes does get the best of us, because that was strike number 3 for him. Definitely not setting the score very high.
Fuck!
Missing the head pin continuously. 30 seconds left. You better make some shots here. Oh. You know, at the rate he's going, I could just take my time and throw 3 strikes and be done. All right, well, now he's got 4, so I at least got to try. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess he got it off. He didn't throw his ball. The sweep's not up yet, but he's not getting any minutes. So what'd you get, 5? 6. Okay, all right. Come here, Brandon. How you feeling? Come here, how you feeling?
Really not feeling too good, to be honest.
They make 15 or 16 in this challenge look really easy on tour.
That is true. My strategy, I think I was trying to hook it a little too much. That might be the undoing of me. So we're gonna see with Justin, see what he got, and hoping you get 6 or less. So good luck.
Hey, thanks, appreciate it.
Yeah.
3 balls I got today. I got the Beyond Infinity by Brunswick on lane 4, Track Cypher on lane 3, the Deviate Hater, same ball Brandon had on lane 2. Hoping that I can get just a few more strikes than he. All I gotta do is get 7. So, you ready? You got the countdown ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. You know, this ain't good. Yeah, he's already 1 ahead of me.
I'd like to see that. Oh!
No, 3 in, about 50 seconds. That's to the right. And we still got a chance here. We still got a chance here. You know, he's at just halfway through and he's only at 3. Now 4. But he can take his time here because he only needs 3 more. You know, if I got one of those off hits, this would be a lot closer. He's at 5 with 40 seconds left. So I'm thinking like 5 more shots at least. And you know that was left. You know it. And I got him to laugh. 22 seconds.
Oh man.
All right, we're at 6. We're at tie. 10, 9, no! 6, 5, 4, 3. We got it, Pop. We got a chance. You know, we are tied at 6, and I knew it was gonna happen. I knew it. Because I wouldn't have said anything about a tiebreaker if I didn't think I had a chance. So we tied at 6. Now we have 60 seconds, and we're gonna run it back one more time.
We're gonna do what? I cannot believe I had an actual ball in lane 2 and got the same score. I'm out of breath. I don't like this. I cannot believe that we just tied, and I had a way better start than he did. But, you know, redemption's always a little sweeter, so I'm gonna get my redemption when, you know, he's done.
We're in for a little bit of overtime today. You know, we didn't plan on this one. I planned on this one if I didn't win. Because, you know, if you lose right away, then you lose.
That's true.
But you still have a chance if you're in overtime. So,
That's true.
6-6, we have 60 seconds of overtime to see who can bring it home.
Really wasn't planning a tie, but, you know, I'm gonna give it to him. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Hook, hook. No, come on. Shim. Hit it.
50 seconds. Got 0.
No. Lay off. Bro, can you give me a hit?
He has 3 sixes already. No strikes. Still no strikes. That's crazy. Still none. He's on his 6th shot with 20 seconds left, and he's got 1 strike. Crazy. He's got maybe 3 shots max off. We'll go left without one harder. That's 2, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Hey, you feeling all right over there, buddy?
Oh.
He actually just fell on his last shot. He got 2 in 60 seconds. So I think I'm gonna take my time here and just get up and throw 2 strikes or 3 strikes and 3 shots and call it a day. Because, you know, that's all I gotta do. You need 3 for the win in 60 seconds. You got the timer?
Yeah. I got
All right.
the timer.
I'm ready when you are.
3, 2, 1. That's way right. Way right. Yep. Stand up and fight. We need them all here. That's, again, way right. You've got to be kidding. We'll give it to him. I didn't really put a whole lot of pressure on him here. Looks like he moved a little bit right. And with 37 seconds left, he looks pretty good. And that's close again. Never mind. You know, you got time here. You can take your time. Oh, 20 seconds here. We got a pop still. We got a pop. We got a pop here. Never say die. That's not gonna hook. Oh, winner!
You know,
Game over.
I never seen someone have this much.
Game over.
This much. He spun it up the lane, and his ball literally went like this. His ball spun like a dreidel, and it still struck. How? You know what? That's okay. You need a hand down?
no,
Okay.
Because I'm the winner.
Whatever.
I'm the winner.
Whatever. Whatever. Whatever.
I'm gonna end this right now.
Good match.
Strike Derby winner. I'm 1 for 1. He's 0 for 1. But all that matters is I beat him tonight. That's gonna wrap this one up. Subscribe, like the video. We'll see you next time.
Peace.